My name's Paul Phillips, and I have been working actually within the Chime Group for 9 years, working at VCCP, and I'd always been interested in setting up a business. Well, I'd always been interested in healthcare, that's the first thing. And secondly, there's a huge amount of communications developed by drug companies aimed at doctors. But the quality of the work is not great. And I thought there was a real opportunity to improve that creative output. Also, there are lots of other opportunities within healthcare. It's a real booming industry. Drug companies are taking products that were previously prescription over the counter, so our consumer experience would be really valuable there. So all in all, I felt that it was a very interesting area to go into. Well, I suppose I have the advantage that I'd already been part of the Chime family for quite a few years, so I knew it pretty well. And what I liked about it was that it's a very entrepreneurial company in the first place, and very collaborative, very supportive. So I thought it was the perfect environment in which to set up a business. Yes, I do. On the one hand, you're accountable, you'll set very clear targets right from day one, but I always felt that I had complete freedom to run the business the way we wanted to, and that flexibility which you want as an entrepreneur. But at the same time, the support was always there. So, when we came across hurdles, particularly in the first year or two, I always felt that Chime was a fantastic sounding board to get advice. Well, the first year was a real baptism of fire. We were entering a very specialist industry, so lots to learn, lots of hurdles to overcome. The second year we started to get established, and we started working with GSK, for example, and Roche, two very big accounts. And now in the third year I really feel that we've established a bit of a reputation in this quite specialist industry, and the future is looking really bright, really positive. I would say make sure you select the right people to work with. That's something I've picked up working with Chime over the years, always worked with very good people, and wanted to do the same in setting up a business. And so we now have 16 people, all really carefully selected, and they're the ones who are responsible for our success. So that's my top tip: pick the right people.